Hello there everyone. In this short tutorial, I will be showing you how you can activate your SSL certificate on your WordPress website. Let's get straight into it. First, go into your dashboard and then plugins. Click on Add New, and what you want to search in the search bar is Really Simple SSL. Now once you've got that in, install this plugin. Okay, and now activate it. Once you've got that activated, make sure you have an SSL certificate, or else your website will crash. You can also back up your website just in case with a video from the past that I will link in the description. Anyways, once you've got that, go into settings, then SSL, and over here you can see go ahead, activate SSL, click on it, and then you're done. It's that simple. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please click that like button and feel free to subscribe as well. Anyways, I'll be seeing you all in the next one.